In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Webflow to n8n. We'll walk through the official Webflow integration guide for n8n Cloud so you can pick the right approach and get a clear sense of what each option involves. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Integrate n8n Cloud with Webflow Quick Connect Guide. This is the central hub where all the key instructions, examples, and FAQs live, so it's worth bookmarking. Once you're on that page, open the section titled How to Integrate n8n Cloud with Webflow. This gives you the high-level overview you need before diving in. Here, you'll see there are two main paths: using the built-in Webflow node in n8n for a visual, no-code workflow experience, or building with both platforms' APIs for highly customized automations that benefit from version control and dynamic workflow generation. Skim this summary to decide which track fits your project. Next, explore Use n8n's Webflow node. This part explains how the native node connects to your Webflow projects and handles common actions like creating and updating CMS items, managing assets, or triggering site-related operations. You'll also find guidance on setting up authentication and structuring a simple workflow. If you prefer drag-and-drop logic with clear inputs and outputs, this is likely your fastest route. Open n8n's built-in Webflow node for more detail on capabilities and examples. You'll see how the node fits into broader workflows that connect Webflow with other tools, helping you automate multi-step processes without writing code. Now, switch to Build with Webflow and n8n Cloud APIs. This section is ideal if you need granular control, code reviews, or complex branching. It outlines how to call Webflow endpoints from n8n's HTTP request node and orchestrate advanced logic. Pay attention to recommendations around testing, handling pagination, and respecting rate limits. Return to the How to Integrate section to confirm any prerequisites and recommended setup patterns so nothing is missed. Open Implement Webhook-driven automation to learn how event-based triggers work. This explains the flow of sending data from Webflow events, like form submissions or CMS changes, into n8n, where you can transform and route it. You'll find tips on validating payloads, mapping fields, and running safe test triggers. Next, check Automate Content Operations. This focuses on keeping your CMS in sync, scheduling updates, and programmatically publishing or unpublishing content. It's especially helpful for editorial or e-commerce teams. Review what you can build for real-world ideas and sample workflows you can adapt. Then head to Frequently Asked Questions for quick answers on permissions, authentication, and troubleshooting. With this guide, you're equipped to choose the visual node or API route and confidently connect Webflow